Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic: how to set up a solar switch for street lighting. It's an eco-friendly way to brighten up your community. Let's get started. First things first, let's gather our tools. You'll need a solar panel, a rechargeable battery, an LED street light, wires and connectors, a solar charge controller, mounting hardware. Step 2. Find a sunny spot. Mount your solar panel in a location where it can soak up those rays. Make sure it's facing south for maximum exposure. Connect the solar panel to your rechargeable battery using the wires. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Simple, right? Install the solar charge controller. This little device is crucial. It prevents overcharging and ensures your battery lasts longer. Connect it between the solar panel and the battery. Now, let's wire up that LED street light. Connect it to the battery. Moment of truth. Cover the solar panel to simulate darkness. Your street light should spring to life. If it does, great job. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more informative content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.